go. I spit bomb, spit a sin shit I made give wrong. I saw you too shorty tell you big one. They get you too yeah tell you play dumb. You're drinking beer, I get a whole bunch. I get smart, you want me get you all drunk. It's freestyle, do it for the close ones like Snoop. Let me show you fools how to go blonde. Wait, I'm not dumb. Tell whom don't mess with the rap dome. All my dogs really eating me waiting for a fast one. And I be where I'm from, don't mess with the black one. I run shit from itch to the dry zone. And you feel stupid, I come into the last one. The black trump, I'm not dumb. I do the same shit I made a patron. Was it open, I gave in a car bomb. The slim steady, I dye my hair blonde. Get James, I'll come in the next brown. Feel better to me, because that wrong. I'm not copying, picking my foot time rapping, my eye rapping. I hold him, I can start rapping, the crap rapping. I join to go black packing. I can't the weather car packing, we start knocking. Give me the mark, let me show you who's boss. I can say anything, I get boss. The mirror bro, the skirt of my nerves bro. I'm the boss of the youth, I speak for the poor boys. Seeing people in the fighting against drugs. They see people in killing their own blood. Think a minute out there, no God. Before they have me, the fighting with ear low but no love, we stop like old blood. Bro, you way too young to hook brush. Back to back, I'm coming to make noise. The deep really run a Chris Bush. I tell Brody, I love you, no beat daddy. The big lady, I live with all the beat steady. I'm sweating my arm heavy, the Tom Brady. The slim shady, I hit you and Chris Brady.